My name is Mark Rowlands. I'm Project Manager for Al Jabba Heavy Lift and Transport, currently based in the Middle East, around the Gulf area, serving primarily the petrochemical industry. Around the Middle East, we have to deal with two main factors. One is the intense heat that we can experience out here in temperatures during the summer. Also, we have strong wind variations that we have to contend with.
My name is Sebi Philip. I'm the site manager for Al Jabba Heavy Lift. Every inch of space and every second of time that we save benefits the whole project.
There's 27,000 people on site currently working, so space is at a premium.
We have 143 lifts in this project, which includes the installation of two AGR absorbers in Train 1 and Train 2, which are 1,300 tons each.
This can take up a lot of space in order to do this. We can work with the customer to minimise the time and minimise the space requirements that we need.
We're using the Terex CC8800-1 twin,
a 3,200 ton capacity crane,
and for tailing we're using the tailing frame,
which has been mounted onto self-propelled modular trailers.
I have been planning this lift for a year and a half. This was one of the priced lifts for this whole project, and based on this lift was the award of the contract.
A good team of experienced and well-trained people need to work together to explore the possibilities from all angles. We have to make sure that our equipment is the best that's available in the market to meet these needs.
First, we assembled the CC8800-1 twin in SSL configuration. Once the assembly is completed, we'll assemble the SPMT trailers for moving the absorbers into location. We'll have the tail frame set up. We will do the top and tail operation with the 8800-1 twin as the main crane and the tailing frame on the SPMT as the tailing arrangement. We'll be lifting the load from the lifting trunnions and tailing the load from the tailing end. Once it's clear from the transport trailers, the shipping saddles underneath the absorber will be removed. The trailer moves out of the way, and then we continue lifting till the column comes vertical.
The computer on board the crane and the system softwares and the control system installed by Terex is very user-friendly. All the operators we have trained are very happy with it. They're very comfortable with day-to-day use. And in terms of precision, we were spot on.
Once we have it into the vertical position, the crane will slew into position, putting it onto its foundations.
After that, we partially de-rig the crane, move the crane with the crawlers onto the next lift location and proceed with the reassembly of the crane to continue the lift. And repeat this same operation to install the next absorber.
The basic highlight was how we managed the conversion of a single crane to the twin and how we shifted safely.
This isn't just best size of crane, but the best crane to do the job.
We had to do 33 lifts with the Terex CC 8800-1, which means that for the super lift, heavy lift job, we already had half of the crane on site. We just needed to upgrade it to the super heavy lift crane with the twin kit.
Main reasons are its adaptability and the ease of taking it to places, the flexibility of the twin kit between two machines. It's also a logistical and a cost-effective solution.
I've been extremely pleased to be part of this project, very pleased indeed. We have all grown. If we look where we are now to where we first came here and the knowledge we've got, it's a phenomenal journey that we've come along together.
It was like a dream come true because as a rigging engineer's perspective, when it comes to the real picture and it's executed in the same manner as I designed, it's a big satisfaction.
Very, very few people in the world get the opportunity to do what we do. And we're very grateful for it. It's very rewarding.
We learned from this project that we can squeeze in the crane in tight spaces. It's a great feeling to own one, to operate one equipment like the CC 8800 crane.
This project is a prime example of our excellent working relationship in action.
This project again proved the excellent technical capability of this crane.
Terex make it their priority to work with us and our clients to find solutions to the wide range of challenges that we face on our projects and in the industry at large. My name is Alex Mullins, Executive Director of Al Jaber Heavy Lift Group and responsible for all of our activities internationally. At Al Jaber Heavy Lift, we strive to consistently provide our clients with safe, efficient, cost-effective projects on a global basis that meet world-class standards. To make sure of the consistency, we have documentation in-house. Each project is approached in the same way for safety, health, environmental concerns, risk analysis to ensure a successful outcome. Also, with regard to the people, our training, it is done to the highest levels of international standards and it's externally certified to make sure that it's not just us the judge, it's the industry specialists. Together, we do guarantee the safe execution of our lifting and project work.
My name is Sayyid Sabahuddin and I am Managing Director of Al Jaber Heavy Lift Corporate Office. My job includes assisting the shareholders for developing, implementing and monitoring business strategy for the company. As an engineer by profession, the best and most exciting part of my job is that I get broad oversight of field studies, bids and projects execution to ensure that our strategic objectives are achieved.
Al Jaber Heavy Lift has been in existence since 1978. We now employ some 800 personnel and we operate through the MENA region, subcontinent, Asia and Australasia. We own and operate an extensive fleet of heavy cranes and state-of-the-art modular trailers, including SPMTs and conventional transportation. Those two main elements of the fleet, the cranes and the transportation, have been externally benchmarked, putting us within the top 10 globally, internationally. We believe that growth will come naturally as a result of our focus on consistently delivering excellence to our clients. As an industry leader, we shall continue to focus on developing the safety, efficiency and standards of our project. For 35 years now, we've executed projects at the highest levels of the business of the industry, using cranes at the highest levels of capacity.
I was very privileged to be involved with Terex in the early stages of design of this equipment.
We understand that the needs of our customers vary from project to project and from country to country, sometimes dramatically.
We design a super heavy lift capacity crane which allow us to fulfill our 4 main strategic objectives for this equipment.
We have been purchasing from and collaborating with Terex since the earliest days of our company's existence. This project is a prime example of our excellent working relationship in action.
For our client, the whole project was delivered safely, cost-effectively, and on time. This provides us an excellent return on our investment.
Terex make it their priority to work with us and our clients to find solutions to the wide range of challenges that we face on our projects and in the industry at large.
This project again proved the excellent technical capability of this crane.